this is the final look. Hello everyone, I hope everyone's doing great. This is Otto and I welcome you back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm in my paddy field again. Actually, most of the works are done, but like most of the padding and flooding part is done. The plantation part is also almost done, only a few portions is left. But since I was busy the other days, I could not make a vlog. But today, here I am because I really want to show you guys how the process is done. Many of you might be knowing, but I also want to show you how people in our places does it. So don't skip and watch till the end. And first, I'll get dressed into my uniform and I'll get back to you guys later. So I'm ready and I'm going up there. My sister is waiting for me. This is the view. Left to go there where my sister is, and so here's my sister. Hey, hãy tao một số nha. Hay chứ nhở. Oh, di pasok na. This is a small pond where some fish, frogs, and even snails. So look at that. The frog is swimming there. I don't know if it's visible in the camera or not. So my video banole like shape planting part, but cameraman na ito, I can't be just making videos and then come up na tayo na parisyo to my planting part to could share. And right now I'm going down there. Wait, do green ulo to dali diule pani there because sun muri jaw down eh. So I'm going now. Ha, there I can do. Wait, it seems she'll keep here pani there. Nule sun do over kara muri jaw down top. तो हम भी सब फिनिश कर दिए होले पानी ना गिरे सब मुड़ी जाओले से फ्लडिंग है पादिंग कर दे हम भी सब सुखाओ जाओले से नीचे फनी दो so the नीचे जाना we're gonna have tea chocolate is there. Ouch, पानी गरम से का पता biscuit, it's incomplete without dipping in the tea. You know what happened? I just hurt my leg with warm water, and stupid me, I just went and soaked my leg in the water. So boil like this, suku chohala suku nishna, like it's like more like my pointing finger size or like this, and then I'm so careless that I even went and poke it somewhere, like by mistakenly. So the water is flowing. I can't show you guys because I don't want you guys to lose your appetite. But yeah, so I'm not doing the flooding and padding works right now. My sister is doing there. I'm so helpless right now, sitting here, waiting for my turn to do the plantation. I'm gonna show you guys this part, but we're gonna be planting right now. Hey, maksudnya, kita boleh jadi macam. Tara saat ni kan full na dali na complain ko siya, jadi full body dali do. So, pore planting ko ilado. The one is over, and Right now I'm going down to the hut. We're gonna have our lunch again. So our favorite part, gonna have my lunch now. Here I have the onion. Here I have dry meat chutney and the gravy, and here I have a piece of chicken from last night's curry. So I won't be doing mukbang because it's too gorom here. No cameraman, so very digdar. So I'll show you mukbang next time. So I'll get back to you guys later. As you can see, I'm out here working before the actual rice planting begins, doing what we call padding and flooding the field. This step is really important. First, we prepare the soil by breaking it down, making it soft and muddy, so it can hold water better. Flooding the field not only helps in controlling weeds, but also creates the perfect condition for rice seedlings to grow strong and healthy. It may look tiring, but this process reminds me how beautiful and rewarding hard work can be, especially when it connects us back to our roots. We're gonna plan here again after doing this. I think our work is over today because we don't have enough plants today. The plantation kan done kan aja doon di dalur de kani ulai na do. Maybe our work will be too here only today. This is the final look to go on the date. Anyways, thank you so much for watching till the end. I'll be winding my vlogs from here and see you guys in the next video.